Okay, so I've just taken the pound USD long position on the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to have a quick look at the position now. Taking out this low and then getting the recovery, and that will be my entry. We do have this nice demand zone backing up the trade, and now I'm looking to see if I can capitalize on the swing. I'm very bullish on pound USD. Okay, what's up people? Welcome to the day in the life. Now I have to be a bit quiet at the moment because people are still sleeping, but I have gone through the charts, so kind of plan the day ahead and make my coffee as well, which is essential. And I'm going to fill you in what I'm looking at, what I'm looking to trade, and also how the day is going to go. So let's get to it. Okay, so welcome to the charts, guys. So I'm going to quickly run down pairs I'm looking to trade this week. I do like some intraday opportunities. So if I drop to the 15-minute chart, and this is probably where most of my focus will be today in terms of intraday. We've got a clear uptrend. Looks like the market is in a clear correction phase. And I'm looking to see again if we can see price run the low first and then look for opportunities after that and really try and anticipate that next kind of higher low forming. Position myself well away from the noise. Any early buyers potentially looking to get stopped out. And then that's why I enter and hopefully take it back to highs, maybe further as well. Okay, so I've just taken the pound USD long position on the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to have a quick look at the position now. If I just flip the camera over, you can see the quality might not be too good, so I'll probably record it on the screen, but that is the position I've just entered. I talked about price taking out this low and then getting the recovery, and that will be my entry. We do have this nice demand zone backing up the trade. And now I'm looking to see if I can capitalize on the swing. I'm very bullish on pound USD. I like the analysis on the higher time frames. We can probably do a deep dive into that later in the video, but I will be going live on YouTube pretty soon. I don't know if you can see it there, but it says 9:35. I go live at 10 a.m. So I probably break down this with people on the stream and of course share some of their positions as well, discuss different markets. And yeah, see how this position does get going. Let me flip the camera back around. Don't normally film like this, so I have to get used to it. But yeah, that's the position. We'll update you as we go along. All right, guys, so it's just gone 12:08. I've finished the stream, and I just want to do a quick update on the pound USD position I took earlier this morning. So this is the pound USD position I did enter. This is what I was showing you earlier. But yeah, I have been taken out midstream break even, so everyone could see my pain as I was taking out break even. I do say pain, but we don't know what type of pain yet, because this could be potentially a winning position. Maybe price does rally for me, or maybe it was, price does go against me. I mean, that wouldn't be painful, would it? That would be a good outcome, because I exited well and missed out on taking a potential loss. But anyway, I digress. Yeah, I've been taking out this position. We did see a nice pop in my favor. I was keeping a very close eye on this area. That's what the orange line meant. This is an area which I'm keeping an eye on to see if price can break through, and that will allow me to trail stops. And this was my target for the trade. I do think price can go a lot higher. I'm looking for a push longer term for pound USD for a push back to highs here. I do have a very strong bullish bias for pound at the moment, really strong uptrend. It looks like we're just seeing the continuation of it. This is the weekly chart, by the way. I like looking at the bigger picture and then scaling down to take advantage of the opportunity. You can see it looks like we've got a break and we tested the high here. Really aggressive wicks to the downside. Momentum's picking up. We've just seen a significant break on the daily chart above resistance here as well. So now for me, it's a clear path back to highs, really. So I'm just looking for pullback opportunities. Either we get the bigger pullback into the zone, which I was mentioning earlier as well, then I'll look for the trade there, or Look for the intraday pullbacks if the market is just going to fly, because sometimes we don't get the bigger pullback. So that's why I was using the 50-minute chart to allow me to trade the more shallow pullbacks if we were to see that. Of course, I have been taking up break even, but we'll see if I do get another opportunity. If not, the bigger pullbacks is where it's at. I will stay bullish in pound as long as price stays above this area. If we start to break below, I will become neutral, or yeah, I'll become neutral. I wouldn't shift my bias to bearish, but I would lose confidence in that bullish bias. So for now, very bullish. Still looking for a pushback to highs. Might be a re-entry later this week. I don't really want to enter now because we've got the news coming out later. I'm still very bullish on pound USD. But yeah, just a quick update on the trade I have today. And now going later into the day, I'll be doing some work on a project I've been working on, Zentrix. We'll go through that quickly as well. And I'll be reviewing some trades I took over the past month as well. So just doing some research and some journaling. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I quickly want to share with you a project I've been working on, Zentrix AI. I'm a big believer in AI and the impact it will have in our lives in the near future, and especially in trading. That kind of inspired the project itself. Now, this is a platform powered by AI, literally, and we have managed to build a platform that will allow you to build tools, build bots, build trading strategies, ask questions, technical questions, fundamental questions. You can do your fundamental reports on this platform. A lot more to come as well. I have specific videos going into detail about the platform. But one thing I do want to really highlight and pinpoint is the trade signals. There's over 200 signals generated every day. The AI will go through a wide range of markets, forex, crypto, commodities, and look at different indicators, different chart patterns, and spit out a bunch of different signal opportunities. So if you're looking for ideas, you're looking at the market, not too quite sure what to trade, these are some ideas you can look at, go map out for yourselves and see if you want to trade them. There's a lot of signals here, so I don't imagine you guys look to trade every one of them. But again, it's a great place to start and a great place to look for opportunities if you're finding it a little bit difficult. So go check it out. You need about 1 million of the token to access the platform, which is about $8, but go check it out. A lot more to come from Zentrix. Okay guys, so it's that time. It is gym time. I'm about to go and do a quick session at the gym. I'm focusing a lot on compound exercises at the moment, so like pull-ups, squats, bench. That's really what my focus is at the moment at the gym. Then we've got an interesting evening later. Chelsea's playing Bayern Munich in the Champions League. I'm a big Chelsea fan, if you don't know. So fingers crossed the boys do their job, but it could easily be an L, I'm not gonna lie. So it's gonna be an interesting watch. But yeah, quickly gonna go to the gym and get back for the game. So let's get to it.